To be a hurricane before its landfall and then very slowly meander here over the southeast U.S. And that's why we're expecting such high rain totals. The yellows are indicating 6 to 12 inches, but isolated up to 18 or 20 inches of rain are going to be possible in this general part of Florida, Georgia, and into South Carolina. So a lot of rain there. Clearly not a lot of rain where we are because we're going to have a big high pressure center. Wanted to point out also our next wave is way out here in the Atlantic Ocean, not even into the Caribbean yet. It has a low chance of development in the next 7 days. We'll watch it, but we actually have a lot of time to watch this wave, and models are kind of split on it. Let me show you the general setup though with it. Here is Debbie getting drawn to the north, but then losing some of that steering from the trough off to its north. So that's why it's just kind of hovering and meandering here. Of course, for Louisiana and our spots that we're forecasting for, the big high is going to be the big issue this week with a lot of heat ahead. Triple-digit temperatures in the forecast again, maybe at the airport at least for the first time this year. Now, this is by next weekend. We still have the high here, and let me show you way into August 11th and 12th. Here's the high, maybe even becoming a little bit more centered directly over parts of Louisiana and East Texas. So the thinking is that even by next weekend, we'll see what the wave does, but this is the European model kind of showing anything that were to maybe try to get going may stay well to the south, possibly go into Mexico. We will see. Now, the GFS does want to draw it up near Florida once again for a kind of similar track to Debbie's track, but we really are too far out to say at this point. But again, if we can keep this high, that would block any potential tropical activity, at least maybe for Louisiana and Mississippi and parts of the Gulf Coast at least. So we will see. We'll track it for you, keep you updated. Big rain threat with Debbie right now, but a very hot and mostly dry forecast for us all week. And then next weekend, we may still be dealing with that hot kind of weather. This is our heat advisory, and we'll likely have one every day. Now, the thing is, our dew point and humidity are not quite as high as they actually could be. So only a 10-degree difference between the air temperature and the feels like temperature. Only a 10-degree difference, but hey, sometimes it's so muggy, it's more like 15 plus. So you can see our air temperatures here, our feels like temperatures there, and we are wrapping up mostly with our rain at this point in the night, although we have had a couple of showers and storms earlier in the afternoon. But with that big high, the rain chance stays very scarce. They're your 100-degree, and if not 100, maybe 98 or 99-degree high temperatures expected all week and even into next weekend. For now, we continue with no tropical threats and temperatures likely staying steamy with only a few spotty storms.
Day 9 of Saints training camp.